Irish music there's a movement at the moment. There's almost like a mini cultural revival within music, but also within Irish culture in general. You know, all the girls are into wearing their claddas now, and there's such a movement, and we feel so lucky to be a part of it. But I suppose for us, it's not a trend. It's something we were brought up in, and something that we'll continue to be involved in.
There's definitely like a resurgence of the scene now. You know, that there's a lot of great bands who over the years kind of paved the way, like whether it was the Dubliners, the Furies and Planxty, Clannad, like all these classic acts over the years. But, you know, it's time in a way for the torch now to kind of be passed, and it's lovely to see. I mean, even now I'm only doing it, you know, 20 years. It does feel like a lifetime, but I'm playing at sessions now and there's people coming in that are like teenagers, and it nearly feels now like, you know, I'm at a place where, God, there's people coming in behind me now and behind us now. So it's lovely to see, and the appetite for it is incredible.
In an increasingly globalised world where we've got children sounding American, you know, and they could be from any part of the country, you can see why people are grasping on to something that's ours for everyone who lives here. So for you, does it make sense why this is all happening right now? For sure, it does. And I think, you know, social media probably has a big part to play in it as well. It's an easy way to, you know, get our culture across to audiences that haven't maybe come across Irish music before. Yeah. And I suppose, you know, it's such a time for celebration, you know, of Irish music, you know, and like Ireland is such a small country, and we're celebrating Ireland so much at the moment in terms of sports and particularly music. And I think now is just such a fantastic time to just spread that Irish culture. And it's so fantastic that the younger generation are picking up on it, you know, and it's something that I suppose connects the older generation with the younger generation. I think now, like, even from a historical point of view, there's kind of that disconnect sometimes between the generations in Ireland. And, you know, that's something we don't want to lose, you know, that connection that we have. So it's definitely something to link all the generations together. But Irish music, you don't need to speak Irish or speak English to love it or to understand it. There's that beat and that rhythm that just, you know, it transcends over cultures and over language. It's just about celebrating, like you mentioned, George, everyone. It is, and that's the whole point, is to get everyone in the room on the same page and enjoy without barriers.